Eddie's the one with brownish hair and black hair.
Calm.
Kind of.
Yeah, this one's Ocey, meaning that one's Eddie. Brown
This is
head.
Ocey?
No,
That's
browner.
Ocey, this one, maybe.
I'm confused.
I am as well.
I'll get used to
Lovely.
it.
Hello, I like your paws. Hello.
You'll also need to build the cage. No, vacuum case.
Hello, you sweet chops.
See, the thing is as well, each other smelt of the previous owners. And the problem as well is as we handle them, we'll get used to our smell on each other.
Yeah.
So it will seem a bit...
Careful.
Oh, she's gone.
No, please don't go, sweetie.
Right, Carl.
Carl,
Don't chase.
leave.
Don't chase.
I should go back in.
You're going to need to tempt
That's
her.
alright. Just let her...
Eddie's really
Carl,
calm.
what we'll do, just let her have a wander around.
Yeah.
Because I think at the minute, yeah,
We need
she's
to,
more likely to have a wander around now that she's out.
yeah, we need to border that place up because I don't like it when they go in there.
I know you don't, but...
Oh, she's not going in there.
Because they're not exploring. Good. You don't want
Scratching
them in
this
there.
carpet again.
Use a scratching post, Kitty.
You look comfortable.
So calm. So calm. Brother and sister.
Luckily, they aren't born with any weird stuff like big eyes, two faces.
Claws caught on the carpet again.
It's sniffing everything.
That's alright. Let's not make any sudden movements then. Let's let her sniff around. The problem is they're probably busting for the loo as well.
Let him go to the toilet.
But no.
Hello.
But where they go?
Drink or
Sniffing.
anything.
Sniffy, sniffy, sniff. Hello. Have a sniff.
What's that feel like?
Have a sniff.
Getting the claws stuck in the carpet.
You had a good scratch earlier as well.
He's a sausage pack.
That one's Ocey.
Just look at her.
She's wandering quite away there.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, having a nibble.
She's playful.
She's playful.
Look at her.
Wonder what?
We've got two little pets.
Getting the claws stuck a lot.
Maybe we should get rid of the carpet.
Can't get rid of carpets.
Look
at her.
Pounce. Pouncy pounce.
I want to see him eat something.
Yeah,
That's
I do
my
as well
worry.
actually. It's my worries that they're
I've
not gonna...
seen him eat something.
Have you?
Well, they get them
They-
treats, so
yeah.
And
I'll
I
put some
also
others
seen-
down there.
I also seen Eddie sleep.
They do have moments where they sleep.
Well, they are nocturnal. They're more likely to come awake on the night time. She'll be sniffing the carpet where we've dropped food and stuff like that.
Wanting some chicken.
And pass me a cat treat.
Which one do you want?
Oh, any. They all smell fishy. Yeah.
Where's that sweet gone now? I don't know. I'm just going to it's licking the carpet.
Shush, minute,
Exploring like a child.
I'm going to
Carl.
have Eddie.
Shush a minute. Trying to leave his parent. No, I think maybe it was still up in there.
You need some food in your little guy. Don't you? Look.
Yes, no shadow.
Oh, shadow boxing.
It's alright.
Sorry, kitty.
Look at her. Look at her.
We've got a playful kitten on our hands and a nice, rested, relaxed one.
Should we go feed them?
No, just let her. The more she roams around, the more they'll spread the scent.
Yeah,
The more they'll get used to the different smells.
and then they'll come out more.
Yeah.
And they need to wonder about.
He seems quite relaxed.
Probably she afraid.